Hi all. In this tutorial we are going to learn Python class or static attributes. First we should know what is Python class attributes. All variables which are assigned a value in class declaration are class variables, and variables which are assigned value inside method or instance variables. For class variables, all objects is single copy maintained at class level. There is no difference between Python class and static variables. Both are same. Many people think that class and static variables are different. Our next question is how we can able to create class attributes. We can create class attributes from inside and outside of the class. We are going to learn each with example programs. Now let's create a one class. I will go to programs, create one Python file. The name of the file is demo.py. Now let's create a class static demo. First procedure, that is inside class directly. How we can able to create? By just like create one variable a is equal to 10. Now variable a is a static or class variable for static demo class. Okay. Now the second procedure, that is inside constructor by using class name. Constructor means underscore init, that is inside constructor by using class name, that is def underscore init. Now name of the class is static demo dot b is equal to 20. Done. Now the third procedure, that is inside instance method by using class name, that is let's example create one inside instance method by using class name def m1. Name of the class is static demo dot c is equal to 30. Now the fourth procedure is inside class by using inside class method by using class cls and class variables, that is inside class method by using cls or class name, cls variable or class name. So go create one class method def m2. Now the first procedure, that is by using cls variable, is using cls variable, that is cls dot d is equal to 40. Now the next is by using class name, that is name of the class is static demo dot is equal to 50. Now fifth procedure is inside static method by using class name, that is inside static method by using class name. Create one static method def m3 static demo dot, here we have created def is equal to 60. Now the last procedure, that is outside of the class. Outside of the class is by using class name we can create from outside of class by using class name. So here I will name the class is static demo dot g is equal to 70. We are done. So here in this case we can see by using 6 procedure we can able to create static variables, 5 from inside class and 1 from outside the class. Now let's see how we can able to access this class or static variables. Let's create one object, that is object1 is equal to static demo. Yeah, we are done. Now I am using print class level. Here I am using static demo dot dictionary. To you how many variables are accessible for class level. Next is print object level, that is object1 dot underscore dictionary. Yeah, okay, now we are done. Print star, yeah, okay. Now go to terminal and type the command python, name of the program is demo.py, live execute. Yeah, here we can see for class level, for this line we got, yeah, for class level I am checking how many variables are accessible. See here, see I can able to see variable a, variable b and variable g. What about the remaining c, d, e, f? Those are not accessible currently now. Okay, and for object level no variables are accessible. Okay, so why only the a, b and g is accessible? Because variable a is declared at inside the class, so it's directly accessible, and variable b is accessible because this is declared inside a constructor. So whenever we create an object, the variable b is going to declare. Okay, and g is accessible because we are before creating object we are created the variable g here. So what happened if I remove this line, copy, comment and go to before the object declaration. So let's see what will happen. Now go 7 pound and run. Hey, here you can able to see I can able to access only a and g because b is not available because we have not created object in this line. Okay, before we have not created any object, because of that we can't able to access. If we want to access variable b means we need to create an object. So let's delete this thing again. Yeah, we came back here again. Yeah, so okay, now run again. We can able to see a, b and g. Now what about the variable c? Variable c is here, that is inside method. If you want to access variable c, then we need to call a method by using object, then only we can able to access. So again go to object, here object1 dot m1. Now let's see and run the program again. Yes, after calling m1 method we can able to access variable c. Okay, now again for d and e, these are the class method. So if you want to access D and U means, again we need to call M2 method. Let's go and call M2 method. M2 is a class method, so either you can call by using class name or object name. Let's try with first class name, static demo dot M2. Now again run. Yes, after running this one we can able to see variable D and E. Okay, let's try with object. So object1 dot M2. Yes, now run again. Yes, we can see we got the same output here. Okay, now we got DE. Now we need F. F is a static method. So static method also can able to access by using class name or object name. Let's try first class name, static demo dot M3. Now run the program. Yes, here we can see variable F is available now. Let's try with object1 dot M3. Yes, we are done. Now let's try and run. Yes, we got the same output from the previous execution. Okay, now all the variable A, B, C, D, E, F and G are accessible. Okay, so now we have completed how to create an attribute by using class and by using constructor by using yes, here you can see one by one class. Yes, by using class name we have created inside directly class, and next there is by using constructor, that is also completed. Now instance method by using class name, that is also completed. Now fourth is by using class cls or class name, that is inside the class method. Here by using class name cls variable and this is a class name. Fifth one is uh, by using class name, that is inside the static method, that is also completed. And outside the class by using class name, that is also completed. And afterward for accessing these variables, that is also completed here. So we can able to access all the variables by using class name or object name at that level. Yeah. Okay, now we know how we are able to create and access the static or class attributes. Now how we can able to modify class attributes. Class attributes can also be modified and by using, and we can modify inside class and outside class also. So let's start writing some demo program and see how we can able to modify the class attributes. Again go to, yeah, I will delete this program and I will write a new one, that is a class static demo. I will create one variable, that is a is equal to 10. Okay, now variable creation is done. Now we need to modify the class variable by using inside constructor by using class name. So let's create one class. Let's create one constructor, that is the diff underscore underscore init. Now we can able to modify by using class name, that is name of the class is static demo dot a is equal to 100. Yeah, this is done. Now let's see, run the program. Let's create one print statement, print class level static demo underscore dictionary. Yeah, we are done. So let's run the program. Python, name of the program is demo.py, run. Yeah. Hey, wait, why the age value is still 10? Because we have not created an object. The constructor is going to execute only when we are going to create an object. That time only the constructor is going to execute. In this case we have not created any object, so constructor is not executed. So what is the default value for a? That is only printed. Now let's create one object, that is object 1 is equal to static demo. Yes, this done. Now let's see what is the output. Yes, we can able to see a is equal to 100, that is available. And one more thing, one more important topic is, can we able to modify with the help of self? Let's try. Self dot a is equal to 101. Now go and run the program. Yes, it's not modified. Why? Because static class variables can only be modified inside the constructor by using class name, not the with the help of self. So when you create a variable with the self dot a, that time it is going to create a new instance for that object. Let's see. Print object level. Object is object 1 dot dictionary. Let's run the program. Yes, here you can see in object level we can able to see a is we have there is a one variable a and value is assigned to 101. Yeah, so there is a one important topic. Okay, now go to PowerPoint. Yeah, so we have done this one. Yeah, next thing is how we can able to create modify by using inside the class method by using cls and class name. Go to here. This is our second procedure. Okay, create one class method. Def m1. Okay, now the first procedure is using class name. Okay, class name of the class is static demo dot a is equal to, now I'm assigned 200. Now let's go and run the program. Hey, now we can see the value is 100 only. We have modified here to 200, but still it is not reflecting. Why? Because you have written a method but you are not calling that one. So let's call that method static method dot m1. Now run the program. Yes, we can see 200. Again we'll go to, now next is by using cls variable, using cls variable, that is cls dot a is equal to 300. So now already calling the variable, calling the method. So let's go and run the program. Yes, here we can see the value is got updated now. So now go to, yes, this is also completed. Now inside static method using class name. Third procedure, now create one static method def m2. Inside the static method we can use it to modify by using class name. This is static demo dot a is equal to 400. Okay, now let's go and run the program. Yeah, it is not modified. Why? Because you didn't call the method, that m2 method. So again go to here, static demo dot m2. Let's go and call the method. Yes, now it is has been reflected. Okay, now similarly you can use objects for calling the m2 and m1 method. Yes, this is also done. Now go here and see. Yes, we got the same output. Okay, now this is also done. Okay, now the next procedure is outside the class by using class name. Go here. Now outside the class, this is fourth procedure. Okay, now outside the class we came and we need to use class name, that is a static demo dot a is equal to 500. Okay, now we are expecting a value should be 500. Then demo, yes, here you can see a has been updated to 500. Yes, so this is also is completed. Okay, now next we are going to learn how we can able to delete class attributes. Okay, let's start. Now we can able to how we can see how we can able to delete class attributes. Okay, we're going to learn one by one. Okay, now go to IntelliJ. I'm gonna delete all the code. I'm gonna write a new code. In this case, now I'm going to create around 6 to 7 class variables. Class static demo a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, c is equal to 30, d is equal to 40, e is equal to 50, f is equal to 60. Now we have created 6 stack class attributes. Now we are going to ppt. Now we are going to see how inside constructor by using class name we can able to delete. Copy first method. Okay, so for this I need to create a one constructor def underscore underscore init. Yes, now I'm going to delete by using class, and class is a static demo dot a. This is done. Now go and see how we can able we need to see how can we able to see or is available or not, we need to see. So for that I will write one print statement, print before object creation a static demo dot underscore underscore dictionary. Okay, this for before constructor, before means that time I hope this is not going to execute. We can able to see all the 6 class attributes. Once we create a object, that time the default constructor is going to execute. That time the value of a is going to, the value itself is going to delete from the class. So that time only 5 attributes can accessible. Okay, now I'm going to create one object. Object 1 is equal to static demo. Now again same statement, but this is after object creation. Okay, now go to terminal and type the command python demo c. Yeah, so before class object, how many attributes are available before class object? Here we can see a b c d e f up to f, all the 6 attributes are available. Once we have created an object, that time constructor is going to execute, and we have deleted variable a, that is here. So after object creation we can see only B, C, D, E, F. There is F A variable is missing. So this is done. Yep. Now second thing is use inside class method by using class name or VLS CLS variable. Okay, go again. This is second method. Second procedure. Okay, now need to create one class method. Let's call this m1 method. Now first thing is using class name. Okay, del static demo dot b. Okay, now this is done. Now go. Okay, so this variable, the variable b is going to delete only when you call a m1 method. Okay, so let's call m1 method static demo dot m1. We created the print after calling m1 method. Now static demo underscore underscore dictionary. Yeah, now let's see. Now after calling m1 method we are expecting b should be deleted. Now go command prompt and run. Yes, after calling m1 method we can see variable c d e f up to f. Variable b is missing because in m1 we have deleting the variable b. Okay, now the next step is to be using cls variable. So now I'm going to delete variable c dot c. Okay, now let's see. Now anyhow we are already calling the m1 method. Now once this is done, we're not going to see variable c. Okay, go command prompt and run again. Yes, here you can see the value after calling m1 method, c is missing. So this is a previous execution. Here we can see c, and here we are not going to see c variable because by using, oh sorry, this is cls dot c. Okay, now go here and type. Yeah, here you can see the variable c is missing because here we have deleted the variable c. So this is also done. Yep. Now inside static method by using class name. Okay, come here, dollar third procedure. So I need to create one static method. Okay, now def m2. Now using class name, the class is static demo dot. Now I'm going to delete d. This del, this one. Now done. Again we need to call m2 method static demo dot m2. Okay, after calling m2 method, now after calling m2 method d should be deleted. Now then we will going to have only e and f. Now go command line and execute. Yes, here we can see the variable d is missing. So after calling m2 method. Okay, now this is also done. Yep. Now the last procedure is outside the class by using class name. Okay, now here come, this is fourth procedure. So name of the class is static demo. Now I'm going to delete e variable. Okay, so del dot e. Yeah, now print outside class del, outside class del by using del. Okay, now static demo underscore dictionary. Okay, now now I'm deleting e variable. Now only f should be available. Now go to command prompt and execute. Yes, here you can see only f variable is available and e variable is missing because outside class we have deleted the variable e. So this is also done. Yes, we have completed this one. Now in this tutorial we understood what is a Python class attributes, how to create and access, and afterward how we can able to modify and how we can able to delete. Thank you.